Hi, I'm Brittany Bathgate and you're watching the Capsule Wardrobe Lessons, a series dedicated to creating a timeless wardrobe that will never go out of style. If you're enjoying the series so far, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with all the other lessons and maybe even share with a friend if you fancy. The long wait is over. The first few days of summer have finally arrived, the season of good weather and travelling to unwind. This year, I've chosen a Mediterranean destination for a holiday, so I'm going to show you what I would normally pack in my suitcase, using, of course, the key pieces of a summer capsule wardrobe. This chapter is dedicated to summer essentials, diving into versatile garments for that endless summer feeling. Did you know that there was no such thing as summer wear until the 1920s? Without holidays, it was thought that there was no need for a distinct set of warm weather clothes. The popularity of travel created a demand for more comfortable clothes. Wealthy actresses and socialites began travelling further afield to places such as Cannes, Biarritz and Palm Beach. They were pictured in what came to be known as resort wear. This was also the beginning of a capsule wardrobe, a set of mix and match garments perfect for travelling light. Today's summer wear aims to look stylish without sacrificing practicality and never detracting from everyone's enjoyment of the favourite time of the year. When packing my suitcase, I always have in mind the plans I've arranged at my destination and take a few extra pieces in case of any unforeseen plans. The just-in-case pile, a very crucial pile. Taking versatile and timeless garments with you will allow you to create mix and match outfits. Today, you'll be packing with me and I'm going to show you what I would wear for a typical summer break. So when I'm packing for a trip, the first thing I look forward to is a walk along the coast. Being near the sea really helps me to stay focused and calm. It's something I need to do from time to time to recharge my body and my mind. This look consists of a long dress that's windproof, and then I'm going to add a hat for practicality and sun safety, of course, and then some comfortable shoes that are easy to walk in. I really love the embroidered pattern on this dress, and the back detail is also beautiful, which make this piece unique and timeless at the same time. I really love beach days, especially going like first thing in the morning or late in the afternoon. However, if I know I'm going to be spending most of my day at the beach, I want to pick an outfit that's versatile enough to allow me to relax in the sun and maybe have some food in the chiringuitos around. So, I've gone for a blue bikini and I've layered a white shirt over the top with some elasticated trousers that are breathable and nice and comfortable, and a chunky sandal. Not forgetting a hat to avoid getting sunburn, and I've heard in the Mediterranean that it's very typical to bring a rustic bag with you to carry everything you need for the day. So, looks like I'm ready to go. Is there a better feeling than coming from the beach, having a shower, and then getting ready for a summer evening plan? It's like my favourite feeling when I'm on holiday. On this occasion, I've gone for a classic black and white look. The detail of this skirt creates a really nice shape when I'm walking with these tied sandals. And then to break up the monochromatic palette, I'm going to add a gold bag for a little vibrant touch. This look is versatile enough to start the night, say having dinner at a nice restaurant, and then could take you to dancing in a beach club maybe. Don't you agree? Ahoy! Sailing is another key part of Mediterranean culture during the summer. Navigating the turquoise waters in search of the perfect cove far from the crowds sounds like a dream come true to me. In keeping with the nautical theme, I am wearing a navy striped top with white denim shorts and easy to wear chunky sliders. One great tip is to carry a sweater around with you during the day. You can tie it around your shoulders and then put it on in case you're on the boat during sunset when it starts to get a little bit chilly. I I love trying new local delicacies wherever I travel. I can't wait to see what food the local market has to offer. I'm wearing this white jumpsuit, which is perfect for wandering around without any clock watching. I can just soak up all of the culture. A must-have to feel like a local is the carry-all straw bag. This one perfectly complements the oversized shape of this look. Choose a pair of comfortable shoes and sunglasses, and then you're ready to go. I'm off to explore the allure of this coastal town. Why don't you come join me? I hope you enjoyed watching this lesson. Now you're all set to spend your holiday in style. We'll be back after the summer with brand new episodes on how to build a timeless wardrobe, adapting your capsule pieces for the new seasons. So until then, I hope you have a great summer and ciao for now.